This morning we have a 2009 Kia Sedona, replacing the thermostat here, right down in here. It was just 3 bolts, 12 millimeters. Pretty easy so far. Here's the old thermostat. It's just sitting inside of there in that hole. And here's the new thermostat. So one thing that I just noticed was that the ring here was stuck onto the housing inside of here, so make sure that you remove that when replacing, so that you don't have any unnecessary leaks. Alright, here's the new one installed. This should be set to go. There's a little type of I don't know, valve thing here. I don't know what it's called, but that was at the top, so I'm just leaving that back at the top on the new one, and it should be all set, bolted back together. Alright, so just bolt it back together, and then make sure you refill your coolant, and you should be good to go. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.